I am Javier from Community Scientist. If you don't remember, we are the game Henchman Career Fair. I'm going to lower the volume just a little bit. Or that doesn't change anything. There we go. So, if you don't remember, our game is the party multiplayer game where a supervillain is trying to put henchmen to the test to see if one of them can become his next right-hand man. The last time we came to you guys, we had a very bare-bones level that had functionality and nothing else. And while I did say that we would have more levels in the future, I thought that instead we would have the same sort of level, but we would add a couple more chaps and give it a fresh coat of paint, which is what we have right now. We also have it so that now the players respawn on a timer, as well as the crates, which is what you collect and return to this score zone right here. The crates on the outer edges right here and the other corners are worth 1 point. The ones on the sides are worth 3, and the one in the middle is worth 2. And all you have to do is, as a henchman, run around and try to collect these crates, bring it to the score zone. Meanwhile, one of us is acting as a supervillain who is activating traps and is trying to actively stop you from keeping points. And at the end of this, the score timer you can't really see at the top right now, but once a player gets to 15 points, then it will stop and they will be the winner. Otherwise, when the timer gets all the way down to 0, then the supervillain wins this round. And we're gonna play out to see how this actually finishes. It looks like Wintergale's at 12 right now. And there we go. We have a winner. Before I call if anybody wants to come play this, I will say that in the future we want to have it so that the players will be able to mess around with each other. We're going to add a punch functionality where at the press of a button they will punch each other, and if a player manages to hit another, then they will be stunned for a short amount of time before they're able to move around again. They won't have to respawn entirely, they'll just be stunned wherever they are. And if 2 players happen to punch each other at the same time, they'll simply be knocked back, they won't be stunned, and they'll be able to go about their merry way. So that's everything we have. That's what we have for the feature. Would anybody like to come play this?
Alright, cool.
No? Alright, well then that's everything we got.